Hey guys, how's it going? We're doing some cooking right now. We got some buttered caramel. You can melt it together and just gotta melt it. Okay, it's gonna melt, put some kernels in there, and it's gonna be really good. And once it's done popping, it's popped. Go and flip it, and then once it's flipped, gotta have it all sticky. You got milk. Put some marshmallows in there, eggs, put some eggs. Put some eggs and let it do its thing, microwave for 10 minutes, and let it chill. And once it's chilled, drizzle it. Fill up in the pro, fill up. Put it in the thing.